outside the back of the house. So I want to just point out some of the new features that we did and the changes and modifications that we made. So we took the two exterior windows that were spread apart and the exterior door. We pushed these windows all the way over to the side so that the new bar has full wall-to-wall glass. We moved the double doors that were over here and moved them down over to here and created this new vestibule inside that when you come from the pool, you have a nice vestibule area which separates the new bar area from the great room from the powder room. We put a new entranceway onto the powder room which pushed the door over further so that you have a lot more space when you're inside the bathroom and you're not in the doorway. Okay, so the guy's been working all morning getting the shed dormer uncovered so that we can get the new roof and the new walls built for the new bedroom that's going to go in. There's things that happen on a job site. Every job you uncover things, so we've obviously uncovered some damage from some water. So stay tuned with us and we're going to tell you what has to be done to repair this.